Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure Windows 10 is up to date and you're signed into your Microsoft account. This prevents auth and compatibility faults. Run the built-in Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter next because it auto-detects broken services and misconfigurations. While it runs, verify system time, region, and your network. Incorrect settings often block store access. Once done, note any error codes or messages the troubleshooter gives you. They guide the exact next actions. Now you tackle the middle, more technical steps. Clear the store cache with WS Reset. EXE to remove stale data because corrupted cache often stops the app loading. Restart core services, Windows Update, bits, and the store service, since the store relies on them for downloads and licensing. If problems persist, re-register the store app via an elevated PowerShell command. This restores app package registration. Make sure to run PowerShell as administrator and read any errors it prints for clues. Finish by verifying store permissions and storage sense settings. Blocked app access or limited storage can prevent installs, so free space and allow app permissions. If the store opens for a new local user, you've found a corrupted profile, migrate your data. Should none of this work, record the exact error code and perform an in-place upgrade repair of Windows. It preserves files while fixing system components. Tip: if you see a persistent error code, search that code specifically for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.